We'll be solving problems involving equations and other areas of mathematics. So let's talk about vector. So we have given that vector A is 2i plus 3j, and then vector B is 3i minus 2j. We're asked to find direction cosine of vector A plus B. Okay, so we have vector A to be 2i plus 3j, and we have vector B to be 3i minus 2j, and we are asked to find direction cosine of vector A plus B. So what I will do next is just to sum these vectors. 3i plus 2i will give me 5i, and then 3j plus minus 2j will give me plus j. So that is A plus B will give me 5i plus j. Now we are asked to find the direction cosine of A plus B. So first we are going to get the modulus of this A plus B. So the modulus A plus B will be 5i squared plus j squared, which is just 1. So that is going to be 5 squared plus 1 squared, and that will give us 5 squared is 25 plus 1 give me 26. So we have root 26. So that becomes the modulus. So what is going to be the cosine of A plus B? Simply, the cosine direction we're going to be, so I'm going to have two angles. I will take theta and alpha as the two angles to bring the cosine. So my cos theta will be from A plus B, which is 5i. So I will have 5 over square root of 26. And then my cos alpha will be 1 over root 26. So these are the cosine direction of the sum of these vectors.